Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and going straight to Settings. This is where pop-up control lives. Once done, click the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Settings, then navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions. You need to confirm you're using the profile that shows the unwanted pop-ups, and make sure you have administrative rights on managed machines. This first step isolates the problem and places you where you can change pop-up and notification behavior immediately. Now you'll take the core actions. Under Site Permissions, open pop-ups and redirects and set the default to block so sites can't open windows without permission. Next, open Notifications and review the list. Remove or set to block any entries you don't recognize. If a site keeps returning, go to Privacy, Search and Services and clear site permissions and cookies for that domain. This forces sites to ask again and removes stored allowances that enabled pop-ups. To finish, disable or remove extensions that could inject pop-ups, and if needed, reset Edge settings to their defaults to remove hidden changes. Make sure Edge is updated and run a reputable malware scan because adware often causes persistent pop-ups. If issues persist, create a new user profile to rule out profile corruption and only then consider reinstalling Edge. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip is to scan for malware and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.